Hi, I told you in this video I am going to give you the types of parallelograms. I am going to classify the parallelograms. So here there are double R, it is only single R. Maths, there is no problem of the spelling, but still I want you to write the correct spellings. Okay? So sometimes it happens. That is learning the spellings is also very, very important. Now, the first type of parallelogram, I will be writing here first type and second type and third type. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram in which adjacent angles are equal. This is one. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram in which adjacent angles are equal. We call this as a rectangle. Rectangles. So adjacent angles are equal. Now, a parallelogram in which adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent sides are equal. Then we call this as a rhombuses. So, if adjacent angles are equal in the parallelogram, we call them as a rectangle. If adjacent sides are equal in a parallelogram, we call them as rhombus. Till now you must have learned in a different way. Rectangle, all angles 90 degrees. Like that you must have learned. But as you have come to 9th class, so this is the proper definition. So then what is a rectangle? Rectangle is a parallelogram in which adjacent angles are equal. This is the definition of a rectangle. Then what is the definition of rhombus? Rhombus is a parallelogram in which adjacent sides are equal. If these two things together, that means adjacent angles and sides, are equal, then we call these things are squares. So, square, all sides are equal, all angles are 90 degrees, like that you have learned. But now, in 9th class onwards, you should learn a proper definition. The definition of a square is a parallelogram in which adjacent angles and sides are also equal. These are the three types of parallelograms. Okay? Now, in my next lesson, let us learn further about the rectangles and further about the rhombuses and further about the squares. See you in my next class.